Hey fam, welcome back to Q Soul Food. I'm Queen. Don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe for me. I love you. Welcome to What Can We Make? As you see, we have a random list of ingredients from my kitchen. We're going to throw together a meal for you and the fam that you can eat on for days.
Bag lady, you gon' hurt your back. Dragging